Hello everyone, how are you all? I welcome you all in the HTML lecture series. So in this video, I am going to talk about the most frequently asked common question in your interview related to the HTML. Okay. So since I am teaching you the HTML, so I have decided like why not? I have to create one website in which I have make the collection of the questions which is commonly asked in your interview. So I hope you have enjoyed this. You will enjoy this. So for that, let me open my web page. So just hold a second. So here, this is the web page I have created for you guys. So in this, I have included the top seven question which may be asked in your interview. So first of all, the first question is like, what is HTML? Okay. So if someone asks you like, what is HTML? So you have to reply it like HTML, which stands for the Hypertext Markup Language, is a standard markup language for the documents are designed to be displayed in a web browser, or it can be assisted by the technology such as cascading style sheet, which is CSS, and scripting language such as JavaScript. Okay. So this is your first question that can be asked in your interview. So the next question they may ask like what are the key features of the HTML5? Okay, since now in the first video only I have told you like nowadays we are using the HTML5 which is the fifth version of the HTML. So in this what is the key feature of it? So you have to answer it like HTML5 introduce the new features and improvements, including the new semantic element like header, footer, nav, and article. It also adds the new forms control that the canvas element for the drawing, graphics, and native support for audio and video with the audio and video elements. Okay, so this is how you have to answer. So the next question that can be asked like explain the difference between block level and inline element. Okay, so you have to reply it like block level element always start on a new line and take up the full width available. For example, includes div, paragraph, and h1 tag. Okay, and inline element do not start on a new line and only take up as much width as necessary. For example, spam, anchor tag, and your image tag. So this is how you have to answer if in interview you have asked this type of question. So the next question is like what is the purpose of semantic HTML tag? So you have to answer it like semantic tag like article, aside, and footer provide the meaning of a meaning to the content they contain. So they make the code more readable and accessible for both developers and search engine, improving search engine optimization and screen reader compatibility. Okay, so this is how you have to answer for this. So next question that can be asked like what is the difference between ID and class attributes? So you have to tell like the ID attribute must be unique to a single element within a document, but the class attribute can be used on multiple elements, allowing them to share the same styling or same functionality. Okay. So now we'll move further. So the next question you can be asked like what is the purpose of the alt attribute on an image tag? So you have to answer like the alt attribute provide alternative text for an image. So this text is displayed when the image cannot be loaded or is available. So it is crucial for web accessibility, allowing screen renderers to describe the image to visually inspired users. So this is how you have to answer for this question. So in the last, I have included one more question like what is a doc type and why it is important. Okay. So the doc type is the declaration or doc type is an instruction to the web browser about the what version of HTML the page is written in. Okay, so it ensures that the browser renders the page in a standards mode, so preventing unexpected behavior and rendering issue. Okay, so I hope you guys has enjoyed this video, and you please just make a list of these all question what I have told you. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you really feel like this video is helpful for you, so just click the like button and don't forget to subscribe our video, YouTube channel, and don't forget to share it with your friend. So ठीक है, तब तक के लिए इतना ही। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए कीप लर्निंग एंड कीप एक्सप्लोरिंग। बाय बाय।